auditions or kung ano man. So, yeah, very determined.
And I think with Lost and Found, it's a distinct voice because he could have just done a track that would be viral or that would be hyped.
Mm.
But he chose to be vulnerable.
Kasi if may gusto
Sa lahat ng ginagawa niya. Competitive, gusto niya palaging
niya yung mas
Talaga, as in like, unimaginable yung pinagdaanan namin. Parang, hindi siya yung tipong nadadanasan ng ibang tao. But, being a brother, sobrang tahimik lang niya, hindi siya nagsasalita before. As in, hindi talaga. Hindi siya yung katulad ngayon na very vocal compared before na alam niya may mangyayari. Naniniwala. Mag-work siya. Ganon yung usapan namin that time. But, he still proceed sa
Nung bata, sabi niya gusto raw niya maging doktor.
sa kanya. Kasi, after all ng pinagdaanan namin, nakita ko naman talaga yung progress niya.
Kasi nung na-interview nung bata, sabi niya gusto raw niya maging doktor. O, diba? Tapos nung tinanong bakit niya gusto maging doktor, sabi niya gusto kong bumuhay ng patay. Sabi ko, Diyos ko, Lord, anong ginawa niya? But it was just a dream. However, when he came older, yung tumanda na siya, nag-iba ang prospect, yung mga ano niya sa buhay. Yung gusto niya na sa buhay. If you talk about sacrifice with Josh, I think he had sacrificed a lot in their life. Siya at saka si Yuna. So, mahabang sama ng loob ang inabot. Maraming experiences, bad experiences at the time. But I'm really happy that they are both proud to say he has to